Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study Science Class 9 Chapter 8 Motion. State the type of motion, the example we see in everyday life. Rectilinear motion, example motion of the train on the strained railway sleepers. Circular motion, example motion of satellite in a circular orbit around the earth. Vibration motion, example, the motion of the strings while playing guitar is called vibration. Swinging motion, motion of the wings of flying bird, motion of the needle, motion of the pendulum of clock. Regular motion, motion of the clocks, minute, second of hours hand. Irregular motion, motion of the vehicle on the road full of traffic. Under what conditions is the magnitude of average velocity of an object equal to its average speed? When object moving in specific direction on straight path, the magnitude of average velocity of an object equal to its average speed. What does the odometer of an automobile measure? The odometer measures the total distance travelled by the vehicle. What does the path of an object look like when it is in uniform motion? Straight line. What is the quantity which is measured by the area occupied below the velocity time graph? Total displacement of an object. One car covers 100 km distance in 2 hours, then its average speed will be 50 km per hour. If the object's speed and direction of motion changes, so it moves with non-uniform velocity. Odometer measures distance in the car. Area upon velocity time graph that shows the physical quantity has meter unit. If object speeding at constant speed, the distance versus time graph will be straight line. Object moving on uniform circular path shows uniform change in direction. Why time represent on x-axis in distance versus time graph? In the graph, the independent quantity is taken on x-axis and time is an independent quantity. What is odometer? The apparatus used to know the distance covered by automobile is called odometer. When can a moving object be taken as a particle? When the dimension of a moving object is much smaller than the distance travelled, then the object can be taken as a particle. Motion of the artificial satellite around the earth is a circular motion. Weight is a scalar quantity. Flood in the river is called uncontrolled type of motion. The graph of distance versus time in straight motion is straight in shape. The direction of counter acceleration is in opposite direction of velocity. Area covered by velocity versus time graph shows displacement. Half of the cycle moves at the circumference of a circle of radius r is 2r. Give an example of circular motion. A car moving on the road with constant speed is an example of regular motion. State standard unit of velocity or acceleration. Meter per second is the standard unit of velocity or acceleration. What will be the displacement to finish one circle on circular path of 70 meter radius? 0. What value does the slope of speed versus time graph give? Acceleration. When will be the average speed and average velocity be same? Explain. When any object moving straight in defined direction, then the average speed and average velocity will be same.